Well, good afternoon from the Urban Garden. Today, we're going to tell you the history of century-old potato planting method. No digging involved. And well, let's go out to the garden and get started.
Welcome to Doug's Urban Garden.
An old man looked on his mother's notebook and she wrote down how to plant potatoes without ever digging. Before they had tractors and it dug a 6-inch trench in the ground. She said, till the soil up, put your potatoes down just so the tops are level with the dirt. Then put straw on top. And so then when he went to harvest, there was no digging. He just moved the straw back and there was the potatoes. In about a week, maybe two, we're going to pull the straw back and we should see some potatoes, and they may be maybe 3 or 4 inches under the dirt, not down 6, 7 inches like in these pots. But give us another 2 weeks. Hopefully the film crew will be back and we're going to harvest these and see what we get. See if the old man and his century-old process really works. Well, we tried something different this year. We saw a video. It's in the YouTube. It's called Century Old No Dig Potato Planting. And what it is, and we should have done a video when we were planting. What it is you don't put the seed potatoes, 4 to 6 inches down in the soil. You just take and cultivate up the soil and just push them down so the tops are level with the soil. This is what they call a century-old method, and people did that centuries ago before tractors and cultivation and 200-300 acre farms, and all the potatoes had to be planted in a ditch, a trench, and everyone had to be straight and harvested by machinery instead of by hand. So what we did is this century-old method. We tilled up the soil, put in manure, fish meal, bone meal, and some 0060 potassium, and just push the potatoes down in the nice soft soil, and then put all this straw on top. And so the thing is, once we remove the vines that have all died back, haven't watered for about a week and a half, and so the soil is drying out, allowing the potato skins to harden up, we should just be able to move the straw and potatoes should be there. So this is an experiment. We never did this before, but let's live. Let's see what we get. Put on some gloves and let's get started. Okay, so we're going to pull up the stems that are pretty well dried out. And as I've always said, we're going to dig for gold. It's either going to be great harvest or a bust. And we planted these potatoes February the 1st. A little bit early, but we had such a mild winter and there wasn't any chance of another frost, so we said, let's get started. Okay, now, according to the old century-old guy, there should be potatoes right underneath this straw. So let's take a look. Well, there's potatoes. Yep, here they are. Right underneath the straw, like like the guy said. We may have to sort back through the straw, make sure we didn't throw any in there. Right there. There they are. A few inches under the ground. Right here under the straw. Whoa, that's a nice one. Wish they were all like that. Well, may have found a new way to plant and harvest potatoes. That old guy was absolutely right. I'm having more fun than a kid at Christmas. Yeah, we'll probably have to pour the straw out. We may have to dig down a couple of inches, but not like digging down 6, 8 inches for potatoes. Okay. Well, we're going to let the camera crew get out of the heat for a few minutes. We'll take and finish harvesting, but you can see these potatoes are just, they're not 6, 8 inches down. They're just right underneath the dirt. It's right underneath the top of the straw. And about 2, 3 inches. At the most, 3 inches. Some of them are just right underneath the straw. So the old potato method, we're getting a pretty healthy crop. The old century-old potato planting method looks like a winner. Well, like planting for gold, sometimes you get a whole pan full of nuggets, and sometimes you don't. Well, that looks about it. We may find a few more when we go in there and till the soil and get it ready for the next planting. But we got a couple of pots over here that we planted the traditional way that we've been planting for years here in the urban garden in these 15, 20-gallon pots. Don't want to knock over the film crew. So let's just see what we get here. Okay, these are red Pontiacs. This is the old traditional way that we have grown these potatoes in pots for a long time. We'll give that one to Sammy on the. Well, I think that's about it. Yep, that's about it. Well, it's as always. We'll give that one to Sammy. As always, it could be better, but not bad for a little. What? About 5 foot, maybe 5 by 3. The new century potato planting method. They were pretty close to the surface. So we're going to till this box up, get it all ready to go. And this month we'll be planting and looking forward to a harvest in, December, January, depending on the weather. All right. Well, that's it from the urban garden potato harvest. And we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something. Have a great day. Thank you.
Thanks for coming by, and happy gardening!